How was your teeth?
Amazing, great service, fantastic. The people have been so friendly. It's just an amazing experience. Right, well, I'm Mark. I'm from Hertfordshire. I decided to come to Antlara, not just because of the reviews, but I really need to get my teeth done. The full experience of coming 4 months ago was amazing and everything, but there was a frustration of not being able to eat and everything. I've come back now, and the service, the pickup, the hotel, the staff, the way they make sure that your teeth have got a great bite size. They won't let you leave. They've got to make sure everything's completely right. They check every tooth. They make sure the colour's right for you. The total service has been amazing, and I could say more, but I can't really because there's too much to say. But yeah, you wouldn't find a better dental place to come in Lara.